We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about polygon tool in AutoCAD. A polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon, all are examples of polygons. The name tells you how many sides the shapes has. Polygon is a draw tool in AutoCAD. Go to Home tab. Under Draw panel, you can see the polygon icon. You can access this tool from here or type POL in command box. Rectangle is the only polygon profile available in the AutoCAD. If you want to draw pentagon, hexagon or any other shape of polygons, you need to use this polygon tool. In AutoCAD, there is two methods to draw a polygon. One is inscribed and other one is circumscribed. In this figure, the first one is an example for inscribed. That means the polygon is inside a imaginary circle and the radius of circle on which all vertices of the polygon lies. And the second one is an example for circumscribed polygon. Here polygon is drawn outside the imaginary circle and the radius distance is from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of the edge of the polygon. Let's move to the video to learn how to draw a polygon using these two methods. First we show how to draw a inscribed polygon. For that I already draw an imaginary circle with radius 50. Active the tool polygon. Then enter the number of sides you require. Here I enter 5. Then next specify the center of the polygon. Here I give the center of circle as polygon center. Then choose the method, that is inscribed or circumscribed. Here I choose inscribed method. Now the polygon is shown in your screen. Now you can rotate the polygon in any direction and enter the radius of the circle. Here I give the radius as 50. Now you can see the polygon comes inside the imaginary circle. Next I show how to draw the circumscribed circle. Again active the polygon tool. Enter the number of sides. Pick the center of the polygon and choose circumscribed method and enter the radius of the polygon. Here I give 50. Now you can see the polygon comes outside the circle. These are the two polygons we draw using two different methods. First one is inscribed and second one is circumscribed. Thank you for watching this video.